Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a test order on Shopify. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click on Login up here. Enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in with your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This action will lead you to the Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Orders, then click Drafts under it. Click on Create Draft Order right here, and then this whole new tab will appear. In here, click on Browse, then this pop-up will appear. Choose a product that you want to use for testing purposes, then click Add down here. Next, in the Customer section, click on this drop-down menu, then choose a customer that you want to use for testing purposes. But you can also choose to create a new customer. This pop-up will appear where you will enter in the customer's first name, last name, email, address, and more. Then once you're done, just click on Save down here. Next, under the Payment section, you may choose to add a discount by clicking on this highlighted Add Discount phrase. Then this pop-up will appear. You may choose to create a discount or add a custom order discount. And then once you're done, just click on Done down here. Next, for the payment, just click on Mark as Paid to stimulate a payment process without needing to process an actual payment. So clicking on Mark as Paid will open this pop-up right here, and then just click on Create Order. And that is how you can do a test order on Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.